Ready? Almost got one. Sorry, Brady.
Brady, where are you going? What's he
going?
Oh, Brady, no. No.
Oh my god. Oh, found the other one.
We found the other. Brady, it's right here.
Oh my gosh. And Buzz has his tucked under his chest.
Yeah, I see it.
Buzz doesn't want to play with it right now, but just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
Alright, let's see. I'm just going to throw the ball outside. Go Buzz!
Hold on.
There you go. Alright, hi, hello. It's been a hot minute since I picked up this camera. I'm actually at the gym by myself. Matt's got some work going on, but we're going to the birthing center today. And I believe we are doing an ultrasound to check and see where her positioning is at to make sure she's good for delivery soon. Freaking awesome. And we haven't had an ultrasound since 20 weeks. We're doing that today, and I'm gonna work out, and then I'm going to head home, let the dogs run around. It's a beautiful day today. Make some lunch. Matt should be home pretty soon after I get home. And then we're going to head to the birthing center. So that's today. And then he's got some band stuff tonight. I don't know what time or where, if it's practice. They're supposed to take some kind of pictures. I don't know. I never know what he's doing. But that's our day. And then I want to, if I have time, pick up some more stuff for the baby nook area that you guys have seen. But we got so much stuff from the baby shower yesterday. I actually left most of it at my parents' because we're going to be there for the first 2 weeks or so. Like, all of the clothes are so cute, but they need to be washed, so they're gonna be over there. And we need to set up our baby room over there so we can show you guys that. We need to do that soon because she can really come anytime now, pretty much. I will be more comfortable with her coming as of next week, because as I keep saying, that's whenever we can have her at the birthing center. So 36 to 42 weeks are considered the low risk births. Otherwise we would need to be in the hospital, which is fine. I know that whatever happens is going to happen, and we will be fine if we have to deliver at the hospital or birthing center. Everybody has in mind their, you know, their ideal, their goal. It's my goal that I've set. If something happens along the way and we have to modify that goal, that's fine with me. But that's my goal, and I'm hoping to be able to do it at the birthing center where I'm most comfortable. 36 weeks. So as far as next week goes, I'm like, all right, little girl, when you're ready, you're ready. Just don't be past 42. And I don't think that, I don't even want to entertain the idea that she might be late. I know that I've had several people comment and message like, oh, my daughter, her son was so-and-so weeks late. I'm telling her, I'm like, you're not. We can't have that happen. We can't. I'm already late everywhere. Matt's on time. We need to have somebody else in the family be on time. So she's going to be on some degree of time, just not late. Okay, I'm going to go work out. Probably not going to show you guys. I just kind of want to get a good solid workout in and just get in my little headspace and not worry about the camera. So I will see you guys for lunch.
All right, so I'm back doing sales again today. I just finished. I'm taking a half day so that Blair and I can run up to Austin and see, you know, little Eva on the sonogram, I guess is what it's called. I don't know, some kind of thing where they can see inside you. But we're gonna see today what position she's in. Hopefully head down, you know, back facing forward. I don't know, all that stuff. Hoping to see some or get some good info on that. Everything seems to be going really well on you know, Blair's side of things as far as how she's feeling and everything. So we're 35 weeks in. We literally need to make one more week to be allowed to have birth at the center. Here's to holding out for one more week. But literally, yeah, today I have been in and out of meetings. That's lasted my whole morning. A few got pushed off till next week, which is actually good. It just works out for making it up to this meeting, or, you know, this doctor's appointment. So we're still trying to figure out a few things on the, you know, I guess pediatrician front. I guess this is what parents do. They figure things out like this. I have a photo shoot later for the band. So literally all day taken out. It's good, it's productive. I'm hoping to get some downtime with Blair later, but because we're actually not doing practice, we're just doing a photo shoot for the website and a few things like that. Professional photography, or photographer coming in. Haven't really had much experience with that, but it's kind of cool, you know. Professional photos, Blair's had that plenty of times, but I'm not that pretty to have that done. So I'm running to pick up Blair now, running sort of late, literally when I get there, and I keep saying literally because it is literal. I have to get there and then leave. I can't eat. I don't have time to eat. I hopefully have time to get a refill on water, and then I know my parents wanted to actually talk to me. I tried calling them so I can just get the conversation done over the phone. I know they're probably going to see me, stop me, and then try to talk to me about a few things. So I don't know. Literally no time.
Face. Do you see the face, nose, hand?
A little bit of a profile.
I think you see it. See that hand on her? Oh yeah. Moving around. Oh, so sweet.
There you go. Now you can see the socket.
Oh yeah. Oh. That cheeks. Going up. Spine. There we go. And look at that heartbeat. Here, I can
Yep, moving away.
Yeah. That's the back of the heart. Oh my god.
So she's facing kind of at an angle?
Yeah, so her back, which is actually eyesight.
Is it?
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, dang. Oh, move little knees up on my dress. Like a worm.
She'll probably kick you away.
Actually, go away. Okay.
I've noticed that. She'll push back a
Yeah.
lot.
All right, checking in. We are heading back from birthing center, and we stopped by H-E-B, got some snacks, and he's about to go to Caseface's house.
Pictures for the
Casey's
Casey
place,
Thorpe band,
yes.
which I talked about it a little bit earlier.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to do professional pictures. At least I think they're professional pictures. They said they're going to get someone that does this professionally. Does this. Yeah, she does it pretty good. So
Well, more professional than you setting up the tripod, and then
hoping for that 10-second delay
So yes,
or whatever.
cool. Well, while he does that, I'm gonna be home eating, so that's a good night. We got two little packages in our P.O. box that we're gonna open tonight whenever he gets back, and I'm really excited. We're gonna open those, and I'm gonna hang out with the dogs and eat and watch some YouTube, and actually edit the vlog that you guys will be watching. You will have already watched by now.
I want to do that. I want to eat and play with puppies.
You get home after you take your glamour shots.
Yeah, no.
Pictures and done.
Pictures and done.
And then
Just
tacos.
light from here down.
I know. I do this and make you look.
Sun's out, guns out. Well, if you actually tap on my face, there you go.
Make your shoulder look bigger.
There's no bad angle.
I know one. Because it's so cute.
Pretty, where's your toy? Oh, wow. What is it? What? Oh, no. Fine.
They already know what's coming.
Not the whole thing. Alright, here you go, Blair. I hand you this. I'm put Buzz.
Okay. I need to get this stuff and throw this.
Okay. Buzz, come here.
Meow. Still recording, Chayden.
Bye.
We're supposed to unbox those things.
I guess I can charge the battery. So photos are done, and also got stopped by a cop. So it's because of the front license plate. She stopped,
seriously?
Yeah, she stopped me because I don't have a front license plate. Oh, you see.
I had that happen
So
once.
I was like, fired.
Ticket?
No. No, it was
Usually just gives you a warning.
Then the reason she said she stopped it because a lot of people are getting their cars stolen in the area, and they're taking off the front license plate. So a little worried about that now, but not really because our car doesn't have a front license plate. So maybe they'll stop it again if someone steals it. Our license plate?
Yeah.
It's over there, literally.
Oh, so we do have one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right behind the backpack.
Okay. I mean,
So-
it's easy to. I'm not in it.
I am.
Okay, so we got a couple little packages in our P.O. box that we could open up for you guys. So this first one is actually addressed to Miss Eva Grace. So that's why I knew we had to open it on camera. And this is from Teresa, the Van Tools. They're the ones that sent us the portable bassinet.
Hey.
She told me another package was coming. Aww.
Oh my gosh.
It's a little thermometer. I actually have one of these. I had one of these on the registry that we didn't get.
Temporal.
This is awesome. Now I can take it off of my to buy list. Let's explore. And it's like a little summer.
And we will.
A little tank top. I say summer, but it's all year in Texas. Cute little unicorns. Don't open it yet.
Look, it's gonna be a while.
Tutu.
Like Brady.
No, Brady. This is so cute. Thank you guys. Eva will love them.
What are you doing, Brady?
No, don't jump up here. No. Yeah. Can you really? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. What are you doing, buddy?
No, here's packages. No, Brady.
Yeah, he just wants to get inside of like the package.
No, but
We're in.
She does embroidery. Okay, this is from Sharon.
Grana's Boutique. There's a website on here.
She does embroidery.
PayPal.com.
She does embroidery, applique, monograms, transfers, etc. You can find it on Facebook.com/Grana's Boutique. So, in case you guys want to check it out.
That's what I say.
So let's see what she said. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, it's one of the little like nightgown thingies. My gosh. Oh yeah. In case you need a little extra air, you know, just air it out.
Now you want one.
Oh, and look at her little beanie. Got her name on it.
Oh wait, there's more. A little bib.
And a monogram bib.
Eva Grace Wyatt.
Yeah. Oh.
Now you just gotta touch it.
Oh. There you go. Thank you, Sharon. These are awesome. Is this gonna fit her little head whenever she's a newborn?
I think it'll fit.
That's so cute.
Thanks for sending all the embroidered items.
Thanks, guys. And thank you to the Van Tools as
Van
well.
Tools.
That's very sweet of y'all. Y'all can look forward to seeing Eva and her little goodies soon.
Real soon. Like in a month. Or less. A month would be ideal. Oh, I gotta go pick that up now. Good night.
I think he's eating it.
Brady!
Oh yeah, he's getting it.
We'll turn it off.
Brady, let me see.
Brady, come here.
Let me see.
Up here. Come here.
Let me see. Brady!
What do you have? What is that?
Brady! Where'd you go?